That's what you've done here. And you're going to lose a whole lot more. And right now, you got to bring me the boat. Yeah.
Just like you let Tweener go. The Brutesy. Haywire.
Ndakuzi urica umuvandimwe nko bikoze imbere hose. Ko wisha Buruzi, ko wishe Katrina, Kamirabyo na Haywire. Nakeza kawe nani byose no turatwica. Nadiru napanga nawe ngicemo ndakunze ko nta cyizero ujugirirwa.
No, I just want to go out to sea.
Nanjye aho ndahangameze nkamwe nibo ndahigwa nyene ngo base mpunge nigire mu nyanja mbari yambari kure ya kure. Mwe munze stress y'ibyisi.
I face more prison time than you. Sort of jumped ahead of you a few spots on the public enemy list. You're my way to freedom, Michael, and I'm yours.
We both know what the other one's capable of.
Kwesanga turi mu nzira zo gucika twigendera. Cyo gyasigaye byo nkatse nanjye nguhe
each other a favor.
Ibyo mfite asigaye twumvikane. Mfasha ncikiranye ngende.
Where are you?
Uri hehe menye ko byenzi na mahonere mu guhigwa.
Just outside of Panama City.
Yamurangiye baherereye hanze gatoye mu Panama City.
Ways. It'll take me at least 24 hours to get there.
Aho ngaho muri kugira ngo majye bafata amasaha menshi. Hafi 28 ngaho gira vuba vubuze ihute.
How's it feel being on the run?
Ese kuba urimo nawe uri murahigwa urumva bimeze bite?
I don't think catch you.
Uzingo urafatwa ufungwe ko natwe bajya kuduhiga.
You think that's ironic?
Tabagarundi.
Justice.
Mr. Kim, Alex Mahone.
Mr. Kim, ni Alex Mahone muvugana. Murangira aho ari.
Justice will be served.
Cyo gyasigaye kiri imbere ubutabera mbukorera akazi kabwo.
You will in all likelihood get me killed. Actually, I guarantee it.
Kumbanga ku ruhande yavuga ati mva amakuru ngiye kuvugira ahangaha nanjye anyicisha ariko nakunda bikora nk'umukorera bushake mbivuge.
Why are you doing it?
None nibuze uko biri bukwice kutugiye kubivuga.
Because this is supposed to be about country, about loyalty.
Ko naswe byose nkora naswe ngorera igihugu cyanjye ngaragaza urukundo rw'igihugu ndetse maranira ko cyatera imbere.
But it wasn't.
Ariko naribeshye.
I wronged people who should not have been wronged.
Nisanze nimo ndahemukira abataka bahemukirwa nisanga nimo ndakosereza inzira karengane. Yavuze byose.
Those orders were given by Carolyn Reynolds, who was vice.
Kigutangaza byose nakoraga byose mbabwiriye ahangaha nahabwaga order na Carolina Reynolds tuzi nkawe president uyu munsi.
At the